Good morning, students. Today we will learn table in HTML. Table is used to represent data or information in tabular format. OpenOffice Calc, Microsoft Excel are few commonly used spreadsheet softwares. These softwares provide grid of rows and columns to enter data. We can also create draw table in Writer or MS Word. For presenting data in tabular manner, we can draw rows and columns on paper. Similarly, we can create table in HTML by using table tag. The table tag allows us to arrange data into rows and columns. It is a container tag. Means we have to start, if we have started a tag, we have to close the tag. Close body tag, close HTML tag, because all these tags are container tag. Save HTML coding with extension .html. Another tag of table is table caption. Usually every table we prepare is given a caption heading to provide further clarity to the reader about the contents of the table. Similarly, we can give caption to a table in HTML by using the caption tag. Caption tag is also container tag. The caption tag is used to display the title for the table on the top. Save the coding. Let's see its effect on the web page. Open the program with any web browser. Yes. Title HTML table. My first table is caption. Another tag of table is table row. Table row. Each row in a table is defined with tr tag. T table, R row. It is also a container tag. Hence, it must end with /tr tag. Table heading. Table heading can be defined using th tag. It is also a container tag. It displays the headings in bold letters. Here I am giving columns heading like name, another heading roll number, then close the th tag, table heading tag. Save coding. See its effect on web page. Refresh the program. My first table, caption, and name and roll number are two headings of columns. Table data. Table data is used to insert data inside a table. Means table data inside the columns can be displayed using td tag. td, t table, d data. It is a container tag. td tag must be present inside the tr tag. Means first of all we have to start tr, then inside the tr we insert td tag. Dheeraj, name and phone number I inserted 1 here. Let's see its effect. Yes. We can apply the attribute of table. Table tag has many attributes, like we can change background color, border width, cell padding, cell spacing, height and width. Border. We can apply border on our table. Here I gave 1 pixel width to a table. Border color means this attribute is used to change the color of border. Green color, we can apply any color. Red color, we can say the default color of border is black, then I applied green, then I changed green to red color to highlight it clearly. We can increase or decrease the border width. Yes, we can see the color of border. Another attribute of table is height and width. Means we can set the height and width of a table. We can set height and width in pixels or percent. Yes. Width, to change width attribute will be used. Here I applied 500 pixels. Another attribute of table is cell spacing, cell padding. Cell padding represent the distance between cell borders and the content within a cell. Means we can increase or decrease the space between the cell borders, cell boundary, or the content whatever we have inserted the cell. We can say its effect. Another attribute is cell spacing. Cell spacing specifies the space between cells. Yes, we can see the space between the cells. To enhance the look of our table, we can apply busy color. We can change the background color of the table. We can apply the busy color on whole table. We can change the background color of a specific row, and specific cells color we can also change. So students, table tag has 5 tags: table, caption, tr, th, td. Today we have learned all the tags of table.